Hello, welcome to News on Jupiter. We've got some great news. Jupiter has won the award for biggest planet in the solar system for the 4 billionth time. As both planets orbit the Sun, the Earth can get as far as 968 million kilometers away from us. But today's exclusive is that our orbits will bring us closer to just 588 million kilometers apart. Our reporter Sarah joins us now from Earth to bring us some fascinating facts about this planet. Hello from Earth. I've been finding out some really interesting stuff about this cute little planet. For example, it's a solid, with solid ground. Unbelievable! Not like my homeworld, Jupiter, at all, which is completely composed of gas. And there's only one moon here. Not like Jupiter, with 95 moons. A day on Earth is 24 hours. But a day on Jupiter is just 10 hours. Have a look at this. The Earth takes 24 hours to spin around once as it orbits the Sun. One orbit is 1 Earth year. Earth spins on an axis from the North and South poles, but the axis is tilted. Have a look. See the tilt? It's not straight. We have 4 seasons through the year: spring, summer, autumn and winter. During our summer, Ireland is hot, but in Australia it's colder, because it's their winter. Why is it the opposite? Let me show you. So imagine the sun's rays shining on Earth here. Australia, at this point, is closer to the sun, so it's hotter. But as the Earth moves around, now it's Ireland that is close to the sun. Meanwhile, Australia is further away from the sun, and so it's winter there. So Earth has a tilted axis, but Jupiter doesn't. We orbit the sun without tilting. So we have similar weather all year. It takes a year for the Earth to orbit the Sun, but Jupiter takes an incredible 12 years to do the same. The humans here are fascinated with our planet Jupiter. They named our world after something they call a Roman god. They also have space experts called astronomers who use something called a telescope to look up at what we're doing, so be careful. Back to you, Sabrina. Wow, thanks, Sarah. Intriguing stuff there. And now it's time for the weather. Over to Susan for the forecast. Thanks, Sabrina. And welcome to today's weather forecast. The temperature today is a chilly -110 degrees Celsius. Up in the sky, it's even colder, -160, so make sure to wrap up warm. We also will see strong solar winds arriving on Jupiter, which means we'll be treated to some gorgeous, colourful auroras, like this one here. So have your cameras ready. Let's take a look at wind speeds here across Jupiter. Some really powerful gales here, going back and forth across the planet's surface. These make Jupiter's orange bands spectacular from a distance. But obviously, those incredibly high wind speeds are not so nice for all of us living here. The great red spot now, and this violent storm, continues to rage on, as it has for centuries. Amazing to think that astronomers on Earth observed the red spot as far back as 1665, which makes you realise just how enormous a storm this really is. The atmosphere will be full of ice crystals today, leading to dense cloud. Then we have the little red spot, where winds are set today to reach 560 kilometers per hour, which I reckon is a wind speed record for our solar system. The record on Earth is only 250 kilometers per hour, so Jupiter really is number one when it comes to blustery days. Sabrina? It is indeed, Susan. Well, that's our news for today, but we'll be back tomorrow morning with a report about Mars.